reactor in the 1960s, and these words are even more relevant today. It is in light of this that the schools in the Western region have decided to take up the mandate of living this dream of Dr. Kwame Nkrumah as a son of this land. Some special private schools and public schools alike have decided to set the pace by providing their students with 21st century learning experiences. And also providing a culture and a lifestyle of practical science activities. Journey with me as I take you through how Tech Science Set is ensuring that this dream of the Western region comes true.
The Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology is a beacon of academic excellence in Ghana. In an era where education transcends traditional boundaries, KNUST is at the forefront championing the cause of e-learning. This is the story of how we have embraced technology to foster excellence in education across diverse disciplines. The year 2020 brought unprecedented challenges with the COVID-19 pandemic. As campuses worldwide shut down, the need for a robust e-learning system became imperative. KNUST was no exception.
One day we were in class, and all of a sudden, everything went online. It was very overwhelming at first.
Adapting to the new normal, KNUST swiftly transitioned to online learning. Virtual classrooms, digital assignments, and online assessments became the new standard.
Our priority was to ensure that learning did not stop. So we took advantage of the situation to train our faculty, equip our students with the technological skills, and then bridge the gap to ensure that learning online comes in to support the gap that was created.
Recognizing the need for a dedicated facility to support e-learning, the Office of the Vice Chancellor established the KNUST E-Learning Center. This center became the heartbeat of our digital education initiatives.
So the e-learning center was a strategic move by management to centralize our e-learning efforts. It became a hub for training, for innovation, and for equipping our learners and faculty with the skills required in the times.
The KNUST E-Learning Center is a hub of innovation and leadership within Ghana's esteemed Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. Guided by our core values of excellence, innovation, and integrity, we leverage cutting-edge technologies and pedagogical strategies to foster teaching and learning and knowledge creation. The KNUST e-Learning Center offers a comprehensive suite of services tailored to meet the evolving needs of stakeholders. These include online teaching and learning, video conferencing, proctor services, webinar series, and podcast. To ensure seamless service delivery, the center operates through various departments. The instructional design team integrates technology into learning design. The systems support team maintains IT systems, and the service support team offers call center and help desk services, among others. The center also operates through specialized subunits, including the Design and Publicity Unit, Training and Research, Full Online Programs Unit, Proctor and Assessment Unit, and the Immersive Learning and Pedagogy Unit, leveraging VI technologies. The center firmly believes in the power of robust digital literacy skills. We organize diverse capacity building activities for faculty members and students, ensuring continuous improvement in digital literacy.
As the Training and Research Unit at the KNUST e-Learning Center, our training sessions are designed to equip participants with the skills they need to thrive in a digital learning environment.
With the help of e-learning, we are able to submit online assignments wherever we are, and we are also able to access course materials online. I thank KNUST for bringing this initiative to Obuasi campus. With this, we are able to have the same experience as those on main campus.
For me, the advent of e-learning is a blessing in disguise. At the initial stages when the talk of e-learning began, I was among those who were very skeptical because I don't like computers. But the structure that the university put in place and the kind of training that was provided has made life so easy. It is so easy now for me to schedule a class online. It's so easy for me to take the class. It's easy for me to connect my electronic board, and I'm able to work equations. I'm able to write for them to see as though we were in the classroom.
The center offers a platform for regular live podcast e-counseling sessions covering a wide range of topics from mental health to overall well-being. These sessions are targeted at students in the broader university community. The Full Online Programs Office manages 3 fully online programs in collaboration with the Department of Teacher Education, KNUST. Additionally, the center offers a comprehensive catalogue of online and blended short courses tailored for the university community and the general public.
We believe in bringing courses, short courses to be specific, to the doorsteps of learners and prospective applicants. And so far, in collaboration with the Center for Capacity Building and Innovations, the e-Learning Center has rolled up several fully online short courses. Some serving the health community, such as the responsible pet ownership, the occupational health and safety, some in the areas of language, like English language proficiency certificate short course, even some in sign language and Chinese as well. We have also rolled up short courses in monitoring and evaluation, public relations, and so many others are still in the pipeline, serving the wider community. We invite you all to take advantage of the short certificate courses and obtain the KNUST brand.
Since 2022, the KNUST e-Learning Center has celebrated e-Learning Awareness Week annually, promoting e-learning within the university community. The center also organizes the e-Learning International Conference, a premier event in digital education, showcasing KNUST's dedication to shaping the future of digital education. Over the years, the center has established mutually beneficial partnerships with a variety of esteemed organizations, enhancing our capabilities and outreach in the field of education.
In this particular maiden edition of the Ghana e-learning conference, I think we've done excellently, and everybody who's participated in this conference would say that this has been an excellent participation. So I'm delighted that we had opportunities and we seized the opportunities, and then we gave an excellent account of ourselves.
The Center is involved in several impact projects such as the MasterCard e-learning initiative, the Partnership for Enhanced and Blended Learning (PEBL), and the e-learning Happy Training Program. These initiatives aim to enhance the delivery of high-quality, inclusive online instruction and support students' virtual learning experiences. The Center features a variety of specialized spaces to enhance e-learning and support educational initiatives. These include instructional design centers, computer labs, photo studios, podcast studios, VR studios, and recording studios, among others.
Love this smile to innovative learning, and that is what, as a university, and for that matter, the leading science and technology university in this country, we will keep smiling and pushing the frontiers and ensuring that we are never left behind. Rather, we will always be the pace setters. Thank you. Thank you.
The journey of e-learning at the KNUST is a testament to our commitment to excellence. Through innovation, resilience, and collaboration, we have transformed challenges into opportunities. As we continue to forge ahead, we remain dedicated to fostering an environment where every student can thrive. This is just the beginning of our journey towards a brighter, more inclusive future in education. KNUST E-Learning Center. Just a click.
Good morning and a warm welcome to the 5th edition of the Junior Science and Maths Quiz and the first in the regional qualifiers. This quiz is organized by the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology in collaboration with the Ghana Education Service and DEXT Technologies. We want to appreciate our Vice Chancellor, Professor Mrs. Rita Akosua-Dixon, for her continuous support. We also recognize and appreciate the leadership of the Chair of the Junior Science and Maths Quiz Board, Professor Kwesi Preku, and all the board members. I want to use this opportunity to salute the heads of the various schools competing in this year's contest. I applaud the dedicated teachers who have spent time in preparing the contestants for this contest. I also salute the gallant students proudly representing their schools in the competition. Let me use this opportunity to appreciate and acknowledge all our sponsors for coming on board and supporting us in diverse ways. We are truly and deeply grateful to you. The 2024 quiz competition is proudly sponsored by the KNUST e-Learning Center. For all our media and video coverages, we are grateful. At the KNUST e-Learning Center, we say, just a click. The KNUST Institute of Distance Learning, thank you for making our journey round the nation easy and pleasurable. Your venues provided are well appreciated. At KNUST IDL, we say lifelong learning, an essential key for development. DEXT Technologies. At DEXT Technologies, we say practical science is now practical. Thank you for making our technology challenge round a reality, and you always make it very exciting and hands-on. We want to appreciate Multi-Credit Savings and Loans Limited. A heartfelt thank you for the juicy prizes for this year's competition. Your generous contributions have been a cornerstone of our success. We want to say a big thank you to the Ghana National Petroleum Corporation, impacting lives. Steady X, thank you for coming on board. Pizza Man, Chicken Man, we look forward to wonderful meal packages. At Pizza Man, Chicken Man, we say great food lives here. Fonjo Images. At Fonjo Images, we keep your memories alive. And to our media partner, Kesben TV, thank you for telecasting this program live and for amplifying our reach and impact. Thank you for partnering with us. At Kesben TV, we say, Obia Bedidi. Everyone will have a share. Remember, the JSNQ program is tailor-made for learners in the junior high schools to enable them exhibit their understanding of the basic principles underlying the life sciences and the physical sciences. It is expected to promote teamwork and critical thinking right from the early stages in their academic life. This morning, we have 3 schools competing. We have Pentecost Preparatory School, TAKORADI, who are represented by
Daniel Kwekwa, Basic 9. Francis Apreku, Basic 9.
And WOODE Methodist JHS, represented by
Francis Opori, Basic 9.
Harold Opoku, Basic 9.
And finally, New Pathways Academy, represented by
Excellent Jeremina Freeman.
Right. My name is Prince Amponsa Kwabi, a lecturer at the Department of Mathematics, KNUST, and I will be your moderator. Let's give a round of applause to our contestants for this morning's contest. Now, to a few general rules. We will start with the buzzer test. We want to hear the sound of the buzzer from Pentecost Preparatory School, TAKORADI. All right. WOODE Methodist JHS. And finally, New Pathways Academy. Very good. So all buzzers are working. For your main question, you don't need to press the buzzer. If a school is answering its main question, the other two schools should kindly wait for them to exhaust their full 2 attempts or until their time is up before they press their buzzers. There will be 4 rounds in this contest. Round 1 will comprise the fundamentals. Round 2 will be the fastest brain, fastest finger. Round 3 is a science and technology challenge. And the round 4 will be decoding the clues. Contestants, I will be reading the instructions at the beginning of each round. So I'll kindly ask that you pay attention when I'm reading the instructions. Are we ready for the contest? All right. So we get on with it. Round 1, the fundamentals. Please pay attention to these. This round consists of biology, chemistry, physics, mathematics, and ICT questions. If a school answers a question correctly, 3 points are awarded. If it is incorrectly answered, it becomes available as a bonus to the other 2 schools to compete for. The score for a bonus question is 1 point. Schools will have 15 seconds to answer questions that do not require calculations and 50 seconds to answer questions that require calculations. Each school will have a maximum of 2 attempts for their main question and 1 attempt for a bonus question. Bonus questions are open to the other 2 schools to compete for by ringing the buzzer. Failing to press the buzzer before answering the bonus question will nullify your answer, and thus you will score no point even if you are right. I wish you all the best for this morning's contest. Question number 1. Listen to the following preamble carefully. Determine the number of protons, electrons, and neutrons in the following species. We start with Pentecost Preparatory School. Ca2+ with a mass number 40 and atomic number 20.
It has 20 protons, 20 electrons, and 20 mass number.
That's incorrect.
Neutron.
You have 1 attempt remaining. Your time is up. A bonus to new pathways.
It has 20 protons, 20 electrons, and 20 neutron number.
That's also incorrect. The correct answer is that it has 20 protons, 18 electrons, and 20 neutrons. All right. So, new pathways, I realize you rang your buzzer before their time was up. You will be disqualified from the bonus if you repeat that. You have to wait till the time is exhausted before you ring your buzzer for a bonus. And this is to all schools competing. WOODE Methodist JHS, your main question. S2- with mass number 32 and atomic number 16. Yes, Pearl.
The proton number is 16. And the neutron number is... The proton number is 20, electron number 16, and the neutron number is...
That's incorrect, and your time is up. A bonus to Pentecost Preparatory.
The proton number is 16, neutron number is 16, and the electron number is 8.
That's correct. New Pathways Academy, your main question. Mg with mass number 24 and atomic number 12.
The proton, it has 12 protons, 10 electrons, and 12 neutron numbers.
That's incorrect. You have one attempt more.
It has 12 protons, 12 electrons, and 12 neutron numbers.
That's correct for 3 points. We go on to question number 2. Listen to the following preamble. State the functions of the following HTML tags. WOODE Methodist. A. Time is up. A bonus.
It is used to add files such as images to a website.
No, new pathways you cannot answer because you rang your buzzer before the WOODE Methodist time was up. So you disqualify yourself. A bonus to Pentecost Preparatory if you have an answer.
It is used to add files such as images to.
That is incorrect. A creates hyperlinks. Again, the preamble says to state the functions of the HTML tags. Each of these tags are enclosed in the less than, greater than. So take notes. We want to hear the buzzer from all schools once more. Pentecost Preparatory, let's hear your buzzer. WOODE Methodist, your buzzer. And New Pathways, your buzzer. Again, I want to reiterate that if you ring your buzzer before the time is up for the main question, you disqualify yourself for the bonus. New Pathways Academy, your main question. IMG.
It is used to add pictures to a website.
Try again.
It is used to add images to a website.
I will give you the mark. Pentecost Preparatory School, your main question. P. Your time is up. New Pathways for a bonus.
It is used to add text or a paragraph to a website.
That's correct. I'll give you the mark. Question number 3. New Pathways, your main question. You have 15 seconds within which to provide a correct answer. How do ruminants benefit from microbial fermentation in the rumen?
The microbes break down cellulose into carbohydrates in which the ruminants can use to generate energy.
Come again.
The microbes break down cellulose, which is used to generate carbohydrates for the ruminant to generate energy.
I will give you 2 out of 3. Microbial fermentation in the rumen allows ruminants to digest fibrous plant material, such as grass and hay, that is otherwise indigestible by monogastric animals. It also produces volatile fatty acids and microbial protein, which serves as important sources of energy and nutrients for the ruminants. Pentecost Preparatory School, your main question. 15 seconds. How does the anatomy of the ruminant stomach contribute to their ability to digest fibrous plant material efficiently?
The microbes in the rumen helps the ruminant to be able to digest cellulose, which also helps it to provide energy for itself.
I'll give you 1 out of 3. The multi-compartmental structure of the ruminant stomach, particularly the large and microbial population of the rumen, allows for prolonged fermentation and breakdown of cellulose and other complex carbohydrates found in fibrous plant material. Additionally, rumination enhances particle size reduction and promotes microbial activity, further aiding in the digestion process. So I was expecting an answer like this or close to this. So you get 1 out of 3. Wood Methodist, your main question. What is the function of the reticulum in ruminant digestion? Go ahead and answer. You don't need to ring your buzzer.
The reticulum brings out the food to be chewed again.
Come again.
The reticulum brings out the food to be chewed again for digestion.
I will give you 2 out of 3 for this. The reticulum serves as a sorting chamber that traps large particles of ingested material and regurgitated boluses of food. It also contracts to help mix the contents of the rumen. Question number 4. You have 15 seconds within which to produce an accurate answer. Pentecost Preparatory, your main question. Why does bee sting cause pain and irritation? And explain why baking soda relieves pain when applied on a bee sting area.
This is because the baking soda is an acid, and for acid they are sticky. So when they are applied on the skin, it makes the skin feel itchy.
Come, your time is up. I will not give you the mark. A bonus to new pathways.
These things contain an acid which baking soda can neutralize to form salt and water.
No. It is caused by formic acid and it is neutralized by the sodium hydrogen carbonate, which is the baking soda, and that's what gives the relief. Please listen to the questions before you come up with an answer. Wood Methodist, your main question. Explain how tooth decay is related to pH. Wood Methodist, your time is up. New pathways, you have disqualified yourself for a bonus. So a bonus to Pentecost Preparatory if you have an answer. And time is up. A lower pH in the mouth promotes the growth of bad bacteria, which eventually leads to the tooth decay. That's the answer I was expecting. Question number 4. New Pathways Academy. Your main question. How is the concentration of hydroxide ions, OH-, affected when excess base is dissolved in a solution of sodium hydroxide?
Please question again.
How is the concentration of hydroxide ions affected when excess base is dissolved in a solution of sodium hydroxide?
Bases dissolve in water to form. So it releases hydroxide ions, which leads to an increase in the amount of hydroxide ions in the solution.
Correct for 3 points. Question number 5. You have 40 seconds within which to produce a correct answer. Please listen to the question carefully. Pentecost Preparatory School, your main question. Nanaya bought 3 pens and 2 pencils at a cost of 5.20 Ghana cedis. Aku also bought 4 pens and 1 pencil from the same shop and paid 5.60 Ghana cedis. If Edna buys 10 pence, how much would she pay approximately to the nearest cedi?
Okay, so sir, please, if we are answering your question, it means that Edna's pen, which she bought 10 cedis, is going to be 20 cedi.
That's incorrect. A bonus. Wood Methodist?
10 cedis, 20 pesos.
That's also incorrect. The correct answer is 12 cedis. 12 cedis. Edna is going to pay 12 cedis to the nearest cedi. Wood Methodist JHS, your main question. Listen carefully. Kofi buys 5 notebooks and 2 pencils for 7.50 Ghana cedis. Efia buys 3 notebooks and 4 pencils for 5.90 Ghana cedis. If John buys 8 notebooks, how much will he pay? That's incorrect. One more attempt.
$13 cedis, 40 pesos.
That's incorrect. A bonus? Yes, Pentecost Preparatory.
So please, we have our answer to be
I'm sorry, your time is up. The correct answer is 10.40 Ghana cedis. New Pathways Academy, your main question. 2 friends buy fruits from the same shop. One buys 7 apples and 3 oranges for 6.20 Ghana cedis. The other buys 4 apples and 6 oranges for 5.80 Ghana cedis. How much will 12 apples cost?
$7 cedis, 92 pesos.
That's correct for 3 points. Question number 6. Please pay attention to the following preamble. This preamble is to all schools. The following questions are statements. You are to state whether they are true or false. These questions cannot be passed on as bonuses. New Pathways Academy. Water can only become a gas when boiled.
True.
That's incorrect. It is false. Pentecost Preparatory School. Freezing only happens when it is cold.
True.
That's incorrect. The answer is false. WOODE Methodist JHS. Rust is an example of a physical change.
True.
That's also incorrect. The correct answer is false. Pentecost Preparatory School. The speed of light is slower in water than in air.
False.
That's incorrect. The correct answer is true. WOODE Methodist JHS. Sound waves can travel through a vacuum.
True.
That's wrong. The correct answer is false. New Pathways Academy. Sound wave travels faster in air than water.
False.
False is the correct answer. And this will bring us to the end of round 1. We want to acknowledge once again our proud sponsors: SteadyX, Goldfields, Dext Technologies, the KNUST IDL, and also the e-learning center at KNUST. At the end of round 1, the scores are as follows. Pentecost Preparatory School, TAKORADI, you have 2 points. WOODE Methodist JHS, you have 2 points. New Pathways Academy, you have 15 points. Without further ado, we will proceed to round 2, fastest finger. 1 question will be read out, and contestants will compete to be the first to answer. Each question will carry a score of 4 points. When a contestant is ready to respond, they should press the buzzer before they attempt to answer. Answering before pressing the buzzer will disqualify the school from the question. After the buzzer is pressed, contestants must answer the question in 3 seconds. If a school gets the question wrong, the 2 remaining schools get to compete to answer. A wrong answer in this round will attract a penalty of 1 point. I wish you all the best for this round. Let's hear the buzzer for Pentecost Preparatory. WOODE Methodist, your buzzer. And then New Pathways, your buzzer. Question number 1 for fastest finger. Give 2 examples of radioactive isotopes. New Pathways Academy.
Uranium-235 and plutonium-239.
That is partially correct. I will give you 2 out of 3. Uranium is 238, not 235. Yes.
But please, uranium can also exist as 235. That is what is used in nuclear reactors.
Right. So new pathways will give you the full mark. You are absolutely correct. And that's a very good one. Very good. All right. To the next question. Fastest finger. What is the name of the angles greater than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees? New pathways, you are disqualified from this round. Pentecost Preparatory. Please hold on. Please hold on. Please hold on. I would. Because they rang their buzzer first. So new pathways, the floor is yours to give an answer in 3 seconds.
Reflex angles.
That's correct for 3 points. Next question. The pollen tube grows towards the ovary and enters the ovule through the Pentecost Preparatory.
Pollen sac.
That's wrong. New pathways.
Stamen.
That's wrong. That's incorrect. Wood Methodist for an answer? The time is up. The correct answer is micropyle. We are still in round 2, fastest finger. The next question. The type of malware that encrypts files and demands New Pathways Academy.
Ransomware.
That is correct for 3 points. To the next question. What is the chemical formula of caustic soda? New Pathways Academy.
NaOH.
Na2.
That is incorrect. Pentecost Preparatory.
Caustic soda is Na2OH.
That is incorrect. Wood Methodist, time is up. The answer is KOH. The correct answer is KOH. To the next question. The dwelling place of an organism where it feeds and breeds such, yes, New Pathways.
A habitat.
That is correct for 3 points. Next question. Calculate the wavelength of a wave with a frequency of 6 times 10 to the power 14 hertz in a vacuum. Take the speed of light c to be 3 times 10 to the power 8 meters per second. Time is up. The correct answer is 1.8 times 10 to the power 23 meters per second. You have to multiply the speed of light by the frequency to obtain the correct answer. The final question for this round of fastest finger. Please pay attention. Kobe is 5 years older than his brother. If Kobe is 13 years old, how old is his brother? New Pathways Academy.
8 years old.
That is correct for New Pathways Academy. And this will bring us to the end of round 2 of our contest this morning. We will take a quick commercial break to Pentecost Preparatory School, TAKORADI, you have a score of -2. WOODE Methodist JHS, you have a score of 0. New Pathways Academy, you have a score of 18. When we put everything together, the scores at the end of round 2 for the whole contest so far is Pentecost Preparatory, you have 0 points. WOODE Methodist, you have 2 points. New Pathways Academy, you have 33 points. The next round of
ideal Solomon Bennett student is someone who is an all-rounder. I mean, practically, intellectually, morally, physically. First, the study of science was chew, pass and forget.
As a school, we thought it's as very important to let our children have a practical experience with what they study. So as a school, we decided to introduce the science sets.
As a parent, I experience what is being taught to my child in school, in the house, and I see my children telling me this is what brings the force to the machine that is carrying the load and the rest, and I'm
okay, so we want to announce the scores one more time. We have an update. So at the end of round 2, Pentecost Preparatory, you have -2 points. WOODE Methodist, you have 0 points. New Pathways Academy, you have 23 points. This brings us to a total of 0 points for Pentecost Preparatory School, 2 points for WOODE Methodist JHS, and 38 points for New Pathways Academy. Before we go to the round 3, which is a science and technology challenge, there is a substitution. So we want to effect a substitution for Pentecost Preparatory School, TAKORADI. Francis Apreku is being replaced by Abraham Ni Amon Ashali. Now, the update in scores was because there was a question on the chemical formula for caustic soda. New Pathways, you got it right, but you were wrongly disallowed the score. So we have changed the score and appropriately awarded a mark to New Pathways, and that's how come you see the change in the scores. So we quickly go on to round number 3, which is the Science and Technology Challenge. Please listen carefully to the preamble. One question will be given to all schools. The question in this round will require contestants to perform a task that will be assessed. The score for this round is 10 points. Contestants will be given up to 15 minutes to complete the task. Round 3 is powered by Dext Science Set. To the preamble. Nana was sent to the market to buy groceries. He tabulated how much he spent on groceries as follows. So we have a 2-column table, the first column going for items, the second column going for cost in Ghana cedis. So for tomatoes, we have 150, onions, 70, green pepper, 40, carrots, 40, garden eggs, 50, and cabbage, 35. To the task. Transfer the above data into Microsoft Excel on the laptops provided to you. This will earn you 2 marks. Plot your data as a pie chart. This will earn you 4 marks. Put the legend for the chart on the right side of the chart. This will earn you 3 marks. And finally, the title of the chart should read Cost of Food Items. This will earn you 1 mark. Best wishes to all schools. You may begin. Okay. Contestants, you have 5 minutes to go. 5 minutes to wrap up. right, so time is up for the Science and Technology Challenge. We want to say a big congratulations to all competing schools and also all contestants. A round of applause for our contestants, please. We want to once again acknowledge our sponsors who are proudly behind us. SteadyX, Goldfields, Dext Technologies, the Institute of Distance Learning, KNUST, and then finally the e-learning center at KNUST. We say a big thank you for the support that you are giving us. We will now receive the task, completed tasks from our moderators, and then we will award the marks appropriately. So it's serious.
Ideal Solomon Bennett student is someone who is an all-rounder. I mean, practically, intellectually, morally, physically. First, the study of science was chew, pass and forget.
As a school, we thought it's as very important to let our children have a practical experience with what they study. So as a school, we decided to introduce the science sets.
As a parent, I experience what's being taught to my child in school, in the house, and I see my children telling me this is what brings the force to the machine that is carrying the load and the rest, and I'm like, wow, if at grade 5 and 6 a child is able to have all this at the back of their mind and be hands-on, then the future is bright.
Science sets has been the game changer for Solomon Bennett Memorial as a school.
Our cherished and distinguished alumni and ever supportive stakeholders of our great university, the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. Thank you very much for the privilege and the honor to come your way briefly with a few thoughts on the KNUST Day of Giving. This is a special day to honor, appreciate, and celebrate the hen that laid the golden eggs after 70 years of existence and global impact. On Friday, the 6th of October 2023, we shall all show our appreciation to KNUST by making financial donations to the university towards a noble cause in an innovative online fundraising initiative that is dubbed the KNUST Day of Giving. Our target is to raise 200 million Ghana cedis to build a 2,000 bed space hall of residence at KNUST to solve one of the biggest problems of our students and management: accommodation on campus for students. I am therefore calling on the magnanimity of all alumni, industry and business partners, staff, students, and all friends of KNUST to kindly make financial donations electronically in any major currency on the KNUST Day of Giving. I am extremely pleased to announce to you that you are an automatic champion for this great and noble assignment. Please let us endeavor to rally as many people as possible to create this big supporting wave to make a huge impact on this global KNUST Day of Giving. No donation is too small. Thanks so very much, and do stay blessed for deciding to give to support the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. KNUST Day of Giving. Please do not be left out. Hashtag KNUST Day of Giving. Thank you.
At the end of the round 3, the Science and Technology Challenge, the scores are as follows. I start with Pentecost Preparatory. Pentecost Preparatory, you were able to complete the first task transferring the data into Microsoft Excel. You also drew the pie chart. You did not add a legend. And then you were able to put the correct title, giving you a total of 7 marks. Wood Methodist JHS, you drew the table in Excel. You were unable to produce the pie charts, and because of that, you were also unable to produce the legend and also then the title of the pie chart. And because of that, you get a total score of 2 marks. New Pathways Academy. You did the Excel sheet, the table correctly, drew the pie charts, put the legend on the right appropriately, and also gave the appropriate title, and you get a score of 10 marks. And so New Pathways Academy scores full marks for this round. At the end of the contest, as at this time, Pentecost Preparatory School has 7 points. Wood Methodist has 4 points. And New Pathways Academy has 48 points. We are seeing a substitution that is to be effected. New Pathways Academy. Excellent is being replaced by Jackie. All right, so we quickly move on to round 4 of the contest. Please pay attention to the following preamble. This round is the riddles round. The question will be read out as a series of clues. If the question is answered on the first clue, you earn 6 points. If answered correctly on the second clue, you earn 5 points. On the third clue, 4 points. On the fourth or any other, you earn 3 points. Contestants are to press the buzzer before attempting to answer the question. Failure to press the buzzer before answering disqualifies you from that question and nullifies your answer, even if it is correct. Let us hear the buzzer from Pentecost Preparatory. Wood Methodist, your buzzer. And New Pathways Academy. All right, so we are sure all buzzers are working. Riddle 1. Please pay attention. I grow, reproduce, and respond to my environment. Plants, animals, and even microscopic cells are part of me. Pentecost Preparatory.
Living things.
No. New Pathways Academy.
Organism.
Let's hear Wood Methodist. Wood Methodist, can you speak again?
Living organism.
I will give it to New Wood Methodist JHS. Living organism is the exact answer. So you answered on the second clue and therefore you earn 5 points. Riddle number 2. I'm the smallest number that 2 or more numbers can both divide. I am used in math to simplify fractions or find common denominators. For numbers, Pentecost Preparatory.
LCM.
And that is correct. You earn 5 points for answering on the second clue. Riddle number 3. I am the physical part of a computer. From keyboard, New Pathways Academy.
Hardware.
That is correct. And you earn 6 points. Riddle number 4. I fall from the sky, but I'm not just water. Pentecost Preparatory.
Precipitate.
That is incorrect. New Pathways Academy.
Meteorite.
That is incorrect. I continue to read. Pollution mixes with clouds to make me harmful. I damage forests, buildings, and even lakes. My acidic pH makes me different from regular rain. Who am I? Yes, Wood Methodist.
Acid.
I'm sorry, I will not give you the mark. The correct answer is acidic rain. Acidic rain. This brings us to the end of round 4. We want to once again thank our sponsors, SteadyX, Goldfields, Dext Technologies, the KNUST IDL, and also the e-learning center at KNUST. A big congratulations to all the competing schools and also to our brave young contestants. Shall we give them a round of applause? At the end of round 4, the scores are as follows. Pentecost Preparatory School, TAKORADI, you have 5 points for round 4. WOODE Methodist JHS, you have 5 points for round 4. And New Pathways Academy, you scored 6 points. When we put all scores together, all 4 rounds, at the end of the contest, Pentecost Preparatory School, TAKORADI, you scored 12 points. WOODE Methodist JHS, you scored 9 points. And finally, New Pathways Academy, you scored 54 points. WOODE New Pathways Academy, you are our winners for this morning's contest. Congratulations to the contestants from Pentecost Preparatory School, Francis, Daniel, WOODE Methodist JHS, Pearl, and Francis. And a big congratulations and a resounding round of applause for our winners of this morning's contest. From New Pathways Academy, we have Islam and Jackie. Excellent and Jackie. Congratulations to you all, and we'll meet again in the next session.